Yo, what's up, guys? So, market opens in 1 minute. We got high impact news at 10 a.m. Really, the draw that I'm looking for is previous day high. I dropped some analysis in the Discord. So, usually I don't take a trade before high impact news, but if we displace towards the draw early on open, I'll look to take like a winning trade just to scalp. What's this, M and Q? I'm on M and Q. Well, I meant to place this on NQ, but we'll see if you can secure a $200 day. I meant to place this trade on NQ, but it looks like this was on MNQ. But, oh, it is what it is. Yeah. So, just waiting for, if we get break even, it's fine. I'm not too worried about it. But this was supposed to be like a winning day. All right. Oh, we got break even there. This is basically the draw. We inversed this hourly gap right here. Pretty scuffed day, honestly. Like, I wanted to see this get taken out, right? Previous day high. And if it displays towards it, I would just look to get a scalp for the winning day. But I went on MNQ, bro, when I was supposed to go on NQ. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh my god. Whatever. So yeah, not really looking for much though. Just trying to secure a winning day. So yeah, we took out previous day high. There's not really much lower though to target. I think like the next real lows all the way back here. So if we get something towards this low, I'll look to get a little scalp. All I need is 5 points anyway. And we also got this low right here. We got this low over here. What a scuffed start, bro. What a scuffed start to the live recording series, bro. Fuck. 6 in the morning in California. And we're already fucking up. And I'm still on MNQ. Like, what am I doing? Alright. So rejected off of this 30-second gap right here. This low is probably going to get taken out. Okay, this low got taken. So when I go for winning days, it's usually like negative risk to reward because the draws that I look to target are, probably going to get taken out. So I'm a little bit more comfortable with risking a little bit more because eventually I know like these lows are going to get taken. So, but that's just only for a winning day. Like when I trade normally, I, I don't go risk to, or I don't go negative risk to reward. So it's normally just targeting like 1 to 1.3, 1 to 1.4, 1 to 1.5 RR. But right now we're in a little bit of a tricky situation because we took out the clear draw, previous day high, and this should have been my winning day. But it's okay though. We also have this unfilled hourly gap right here. So this low is also the top of this unfilled hourly gap. So ideally price comes down here. But yeah, I mean, we got news at 10 a.m. Yep. News at 10 a.m. Red folder news as well. There's not really any other targets higher after previous day high got taken out. We got this all the way over here, and that's like 300 points away. And we're in the middle of this 4-hour gap right here, as we can see. But yeah. What the hell happened? Why is my chart frozen, bro? What? Fucking top step X. Alright, here we go. Okay, I'm seeing some displacement now. If we get a close below this low, right here, this low is probably going to get taken. We need a nice close. So if that candle right there closed below this low, like a nice displacement close, if we got that, I would have won in with 2 minis just to secure like 5 points, right? But looks like this is going to get taken without us, and that's fine. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's too volatile for me to get in. It's moving too fast. So honestly, this might get taken without us. And if that happens, then I probably won't be able to secure a winning day today. Unless I see something on later in the day. So now, what's next is this unfilled hourly gap, which is that low over there. Maybe we see something like we reject off of this and decide to go lower. Reject off this 1 minute gap right here. So ideally, you'd like to see this gap hold and push lower to this low. Okay, so this got inverted. So most likely now we're gonna go touch this unfilled gap and see how we react off of that. Let's check out ES real quick. See if there's a SMT at that low, because we are kind of reacting out of nothing. Like we're flipping off of nothing. No, there is no SMT. Okay. So if this gets inversed, we might go and retest this high. But we need to see a strong displacement close, of course. Okay, so we're displacing towards this high right now. Oh, we formed an S. This, or ES took out this high. So now I gotta be a little careful if we want to secure a winning day for NQ. Want to see this go a little bit more closer to this high. I wouldn't enter off of this just yet because ES took this high, so gotta be a little cautious. Just want to see more of a follow through from NQ if you want to go take this out. But for right now, go to SMT. Man, it's too early, man. It's too early. Yeah, basically I'm just gonna be doing live recordings now from like Tuesday through Thursday. Just going from $0 to a max payout on these accounts. So I'm trying to run up the balance to 10K on each account and take a payout of 5K each. So it's going to be a little series that I'm doing on YouTube, and this is the first video. So everything's going to be recorded, all my wins, all my losses, Tuesday through Thursday, and Monday through Friday, I'll be streaming the live Discord, or I'll be streaming live in the Discord. So if you aren't already in the Discord, I'll drop it in the description. You can join through there. But yeah, we are just waiting for something just to secure a winning day at this point, because the major draws got taken. So really just looking to secure a $200 a day and just call it there. So looks like we're respecting this gap, but I still want to see a nice follow through from NQ. Okay, we're seeing a little bit of hesitancy, like we are stalling a little bit now. Come on, NQ. Do something, bro. Do something. Yeah, so we just flipped out of thin air, bro. Like, what? We really just flipped off of thin air. That's crazy. Okay, now we're seeing something. We're still a good, like, 20 points away. All right. Now we're seeing something. Bro, all right. I thought I got filled on M&Q again. All right. So that was the winning day. Not really looking for much else, honestly. So yeah, that's how I secure winning days, right? So I'm looking for a displacement candle towards the next draw, which is what we got. And I'm looking just to get 5 points, or sometimes I enter in with 3 contracts. So that's like, what, 3.5 points. And this high is pretty much confirmed after seeing this displacement candle. But yeah, that's pretty much how most of my, I wouldn't say most of my days, but a good portion of my days look like. Just really keeping it consistent, going for base hits when I don't see my actual model present itself. So I just scalp to the draw, which is this right here, right? So we really did kind of reject out of nothing, but we see some displacement, and then we see this gap getting respected, and another displacement towards this high right here. So we enter off of this close, just targeting this high. Pretty simple day. I'm locked out of the of the account because I have a trade limit of 2 trades a day. So can't even place a trade if I wanted to. And it's not like I really would place a trade anyway, right? Going back to what there really is to target higher. There isn't really much to target higher, right? Looking at the 4 hour, we're stuck in this 4 hour gap. I'm not looking to take shorts either. So it's just one of those days where, I mean, you got to call it. I mean, I'm up like what, 1K for the day on 5 Express accounts. So yeah, that's that. I will see you guys in the next video.